I look like I work at Shell. He's not wrong.
More passion, more energy. Anong gagawin ko?
Inom.
Perfect ka!
Sorry! Ano to yun?
Tao.
Cat.
Ay! Ano? Mali-mali ko yung gano'n lang. Gorilla yan! Gorilla yan! Gorilla! Gorilla! Wala ako dyan! Wala ako dyan! Gorilla yan! Ito, may shot na! May shot na!
Sampoy! Game na! Ako na. Ready na kayo? Wala?
Taco. Taco. Cat. Pizza. Sabi niya, hindi pa ako nanalo doon. I feel you. Ako na.
David, isa na
Wala na tayo manalo!
full shot ng tequila.
Ready mo na! Ready mo na!
Isa pa. Kuya Brel, nauto ka naman. Isa pa na.
Ito naman, Gabriel. Try mo din.
Okay, good morning vlog. It's the 26th. It's the 27th. It's still party, and look who's here. Look who's here. Look, it's Kuya Emilio. And that's mom. Look at these friends. This is Kuya Emil. This is not Kuya Emil. This is from Kuya Emil. Yay!
Actually.
Good morning, universe. Now we are on our way to Walter Mart.
Making our Christmas memory.
Ate fried balot. I keep stealing her buko shake. Yeah.
Meron. Hindi matapos. Like, first few pages. Seryoso ako, first few pages. 2 pages ng aral, 2,000.
Hindi natapos!
Ano yung tsura?
Opo. Rehan, tulog ka pa din.
Sorry na.
Yes, RJ! Yeah!
Si Rambo yan.
Wait lang! Sama yan!
Hi, friends!
Ikaw muna.
Sino yan?
Ano yung ikaw?
Hi, Kuya
alas 10.
Bakit hindi pa?
Ikaw nagsabi. Hindi pa ba?
Grabe organizer natin. Hindi pa dapat kami. Alam mo may isang pa. Bakit tayo mo nagad sa'yo? Tika. Sige. Kasi Erso, suntukan.
Panoorin natin.
Okay, ready?
Manood kayo!
Jump and...
End of down.
And jump.
End of down.
And jump.
End of down.
And jump and point. Lumapan. Jump and point, guys. And jump and point, guys. Uy! Next, jump and point. Point. And point. And jump and point. Jump and point. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump and point. And jump and reset. Jump and point. Bigay na. Jump and point. Okay. Tingnan natin. May papanalo. 5, 6, 7, 8. May papanalo. May papanalo. Kita mo lang. Kaya hindi pa sinabi. Ready? May papanalo. So, ibibigay sa akin. Mamaya ulit, mamaya ulit. Ay, napo mo lang ito.
Gcash?
Okay, bring me AirPods or earphones. Bilisan mo! Okay. ID, any ID? Ay, ang yaba! Ang yaba! Mawala sana ako eh. Ang yaba! Bring me kutsara! Ito, dami eh! Sa tabi mo! Ang bilis niya! Bring me barbecue stick! Ay! Barbecue stick! Barbecue stick! Okay. Cord! Charger cord! Ay, akala ko kayo! Ano pa ba? Kailangan na lalaki! Bring me white hair! makakapulot ng 500.
Wala pa.
Kaya mo yan, Rexstar!
Talaga sila. Uy! Palong-palong talaga kami. 500 talaga yun. Ay, baka pala ka makuha nyo yan. Pag di nyo nahanap, si Dan ang kukuha. Si Dan.
Hindi ko makahanap ko siya kung di ako naghahanap. Baka nasa bulsa mo.
Wala! Wala!
Sa ilalim ng upuan.
Trial pa lang daw mo.
Ulit!
Ulit! Ulit!
Recording.
Yung pinakamataas pa rin.
Wala lumalabas. Ba't hindi lumalabas? Ba't wala lumalabas?
Ay, hindi marunong. Hindi kasya to sa lahat. Ano ba? Normal na shot o ang pang-video na shot? Uy! Sila. Sila sa bug talaga.
Lagay sa plato.
Okay, ganun to. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy now. Happy! New Year! Okay!
Happy birthday, Kuya Dan!
Wait, hindi na sila makikita sa sobrang daming result. Ay, ang cute!
Trees and lights and a gift is almost anything. The joy that love can bring. It's everywhere.
Banlaw na!
Wait lang. Kailangan explanation next na kaagad. Ang tanong mo ay date ng anniversary. Hindi yung kung saan kami nag-date. Okay, next part.
Sa anniversary nyo, kung kailan kayo naging official.
Oo, okay. November 9. First date namin September 4. So mali kami, ganun.
Ay, Calvin! Ang aga ko daw dyan!
Modelo, Cuentos, Cosara, Modelo, Peliraro.
Asan na yung ano, formation? Asan yung ano? Ayun? Pwede pa naman dito.
Break for Jack.
We're going to our next itinerary. Wala namang 500.
Napagano na. Amazing.
Computer engineering.
O sige, let's go! Let's go, child!
Aftermath. Ate Julia.
Kaya ng shot yan.
Hurry now, should have been done by now. Seems we're running late. Let's put the food on the table, fast as we're able. Guess start coming at 8. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is it shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on.
Godin niya.
Articulate your feet and look at your home. But we love you, Sir Robert. Importante. Sa amin, Merry, Merry Christmas, Sir Robert. Matiga!
Vlog number 5. What do you like about the cold weather?
Oh, the cold weather. You get to sleep for a long time.
Yay!